Hi, this is Steve, AGS Little London, aka Pudsey AGS, and I'm just about to do a belt and rollers change on this scooter. It's done 5,000. I'm going to change the oil on the gearbox. I thought I'd do a short video in case you ever fancy doing it yourself. All you're going to need is a 10mm spanner, and you're going to undo this one here, and this one under here. That's your drain one. And it's literally just undo. I mean, it'd be a bit tighter than that, and I'll just start draining it, and I'll get back to you in a second. Okay, so I'm just about to. You can see I've unscrewed it a bit there. I'm going to unscrew that one now, and it should come out really black, gunky, and horrible, as you can see. Still trying to get over this cold, but. Anyway, you'll let that drain, and then remove this one here. Now this is where you'd fill it up again, and you basically fill it until it pours back out that hole there. I'll show you in a minute. On the back of this, you can see there's a alley washer, so I'll turn it up that way. Hang on. There. Ideally, you want to be replacing that for a new one. If you haven't got one, then you can flip it round, but I recommend you only ever do that once, but I should be putting new ones on. But ideally you do want a new, you can do copper ones if whatever you get hold of. So we're gonna let this drain a bit, and it could take a while, a couple of minutes, and I'll get back to you in a couple of seconds. Well, a couple of minutes when it's done. But there you go, you can see what's coming out of it. It's very treacly. But it is nice and simple, and you're going to need some of that. Okay, and like I said, basically you're going to fill it up until it pours back out of the hole there. So there isn't really a set amount. I'm going to use a syringe in a minute, and then I'll try and get as close as I can. So we'll just let that drain off a bit more, and then I'll start it again. Okay, so it's drained off. I've nipped that up, put a new wash on the bottom of that one too. Let's have a look at this. So it's just short of 100mm, after probably 90. Try and get that as straight as I can. It's just under 100mm there. So I'm going to start filling it up now. Like I said, and I'm going to use let's see if I can. You can get these any farm shoppy things that deal with animals and stuff. I think this is used for horse tranquilizers. I don't know, I've had it for years. I've got 50 in there, but I reckon it's going to take 2 of these. So I'll put this one in, and then I'll do another one, and we can see how far. So that one's got about 50. Can't really get it focused in, but it's got about 50 in it. I'll put this one in first, and then I'll get back to you when we're doing the next. Okay, so I've got another 50 now, and I'm just going to push this in. We need a new syringe. And that's nearly 100 there that's gone in. And there you go. You can see that? That's how you want it to be. So just let that drip a wee bit more. I want it just so it's coming out. You can't really overfill it, I don't believe. And we'll just put the bolt back in there. Alright, so there you go, and that's pretty much that's it really. So make sure you dispose of your oil in a sensible way. Don't go chucking it down the drain or nothing. I know that you wouldn't do that, but it's been known by some people. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope that helped. Just a short video on how to change your gearbox oil on any scooter really. Cheers for watching, bye.